online NCIE Data Protection Specialist NS0-528 dumps. Question 1. Your customer wants to ensure that the snap mirror relationships are easily managed in a bidirectional, multi-cluster environment. Which version of clustered data ONTAP would you recommend? Question 2. Which two cloud providers allow you to provision cloud volumes ONTAP as a snap mirror destination? Question 3. A volume has been filled completely by active data and snapshot copies. What must you do to make the volume writable again? Question 4. A customer has deployed OnCommand Unified Manager and wants to use it to manage their data protection relationships within their NetApp storage infrastructure. In this scenario, which additional component must be deployed to satisfy this requirement? Question 5. You want to conserve disk space in your Snap Vault destinations. You enable storage efficiency on each of the secondary volumes. Which two statements are true in this scenario? Choose two. Question 6. When creating a new workflow in OnCommand Workflow Automation, what is the correct order to apply commands in your new workflow? Question 7. What are two NetApp data protection solutions? Choose two. Question 8. You are maintaining a 4-node metro cluster. How are the high availability interconnects cabled? Question 9. Which technology uses synchronous replication? Question 10. A storage system is running low on space, and you enable a snapshot auto-delete policy on a volume. You need to replicate snapshot copies to another storage system before they are deleted. Which two snap mirror policies would retain the deleted snapshot copies? Choose two.